Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, Standard 8th, video number 88, Exponents and Pars, section C, Achiever, toughest one. Let's start. If A equals to 2 raised to minus 2 minus 2 raised to minus 3, B equals to 2 raised to minus 3 minus 2 raised to minus 4, C equals to 2 raised to minus 4 minus 2 raised to minus 2, then find a cube plus b cube plus c cube and 10 abc. Okay, we'll solve them separately. First a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Okay, let's start. A cube plus b cube plus c cube means what? 2 raised to minus 2 minus 2 raised to minus 3 the whole cube, right? Plus 2 raised to minus 3 plus 2 raised to minus 4 the whole cube plus 2 raised to minus 4 minus 2 raised to minus 2 the whole cube. Okay, convert this minus into plus all inside the bracket, means invertendo, bring numerator to denominator, so it becomes bracket 1 upon 2 square minus 1 upon 2 cube the whole raised to 3. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.